Kambuni ya Savannah Cement niranyitite ihenya-ini riri Beyond Zero Marathon ni makoretwo makihariria niguo gugatengera muthenya wa kiumia.
Been climbing all the nearby mountains practicing for the 10th of March, and we believe that this team is going to bring the Beyond Zero Marathon Cup home.
Ronald Ndegwa nore ni murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ino ni oriti ya Kenya gukinyaniria ihenya-ini riri guku akiuga mubango uyu wa First Lady Margaret Kenyatta ni ukoretwo ugicenjia miturire ya atumia ingi na ciana.
Tomorrow we'll be making a cash donation of 1.5 million shillings as a company, but more importantly we are going to run with the First Lady on Sunday. We are running for our sisters, we are running for our mothers, we are running for our brothers, because we believe in the Beyond Zero campaign.
Oho, Ndegwa ni oritie kambuni itiganite guku bururi-ini inyite itemi hari ihenya-ini riu na ningi akoria a Kenya kurora mirire yao niguo gutigirira mena ugima mwega wa mwiri. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wanjiru wa Boro.